Hi, my name is Faruk and today I'm gonna do something different on this channel, okay? Because I love this show and I've been waiting for this since January 2025. I ordered this 1/6 scale figure of Jinx from Arcane. If you haven't seen that show, you have to watch that show. It is fantastic. You're gonna watch the best story, the best animation, and the best music, okay? So I love it. I've been loving it for a really long time. And I have a Jinx statue that I've been using in my videos, but that was from the game. This is from the TV show. This one is made by Hot Toys and it costs around $275, which is not bad actually, because I have Iron Man and that was around $350. So, let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, gorgeous box. This part feels different. It's like sanded or something. Size are the same way. This is glossy. This is matte. Oh my gosh. Oops, a little bit damage here. It's fine. I'm not looking to sell it. This is mine. Inside the box is purple. Great detail. And here it is. It's gonna be difficult to open without ripping it because... Okay, we did it. Yay, go us! Once again, purple on the inside. We have some instructions here. All right, it's telling us how we can put this together. It says these areas are super sharp, watch out. Avoid touching or scratching tattooed areas. Okay. It says please read instructions first. Which I did. Oh wow, this looks incredible. I don't know, I don't want to touch this now. I don't... Look at these guns. Look at this. Look at the detail on this. Oh my gosh. Now the grenade. Wow, the detail on this is insane. Okay, I can't touch this. We have the rocket launcher here. Oh yeah, they were right. It is sharp. The handle, the wrapping around that, the wrapping around these. Look at these details. Okay, so this is for the face. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's look at the hands first. This is the one that's gonna hold the weapon. Same thing, look at the nails. Wow. I think this is the one that holds the RPG and the other gun. Yep. The detail is crazy. And so far, what? So, okay, I see. So this is to move the eyes. Oh, I can move the eyes. Okay, now let's take this out. Is there anything else? I think we're gonna reach the stand. Yeah, this has to be the stand. Cool. I like that it's not saying Netflix on it. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, you just put this together and then you mount your character to this. Very cool. I think that's all we have in the box. Well, let's take a look at Jinx. I feel like Wendell from Key and Peele.
My current girlfriend's live, body tan, face tan.
Okay, the hair is not hairy, even though the pants are like, it feels like fabric. The hair feels like a plastic you can bend. We can bend at the knees. Look at these boots. They move. I love the tattoos. The hair looks fantastic. The face comes off like that. And then this one also, you can move the eyes as well. And this one, the mouth is like that. And then on this one, we have the open mouth. Just clicks in, I guess. Super simple, just like that. All right, so it's unboxed and I was able to take these out, which was really stressful, but everything is out. And then I've been feeling like Wendell from Key and Peele. Am I doing this all by myself? I was imagining the comments I'm gonna get. Oh, look at that guy with the Jinx statue. So I invited my neighbor, just so we can, you know.
Yeah, it looks like fun.
Level up the field a little bit. You watched Arcane with me.
Yeah.
You love Arcane as much as I do.
I do.
And we have a couple more. We have one more Jinx statue.
Yes. Yeah, we have Cassandra Kiraman.
So we also have, so we have this, and we have this. So look at this craziness.
Okay.
You take this, okay?
Okay.
You can take the face out. This is the one where she looks vicious.
Vicious.
And then you can see the eye holes over here.
Oh my gosh! That's crazy.
You can move them.
Crazy.
Yeah. You can move the eyes.
Oh my gosh, you could like, oh, that's so cool.
You can make all those facial expressions, and if you wanna change the face, you just go dip. Just comes out.
Ooh. Well, we definitely gotta have crazy face. What's her face there? Oh, she's crazy face on that one we have. You can have it in the holster too. But they both can.
Yes!
There it is!
I think it is time we put Jinx back into its box to never see it again, just like the Iron Man.
Oh yeah, you have that Iron Man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it
maybe
literally
that's-
those? It's literally, I think that's it. Like if that falls off, well, you get two. You just hang this on her finger.
Just can't. I'm not sure if I can make her hold it.
Oh. For some reason, my brain was thinking this was that one. This because we already had that gun. Can you position her like? See what I'm saying? A little hip to the side, a little nonchalance.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Little nonchalance.
So thanks so much for watching this video. Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Do you have figurines? Let me know what's in your collection. And until I see you next time, take really good care of yourselves. And don't forget to subscribe to Ainina as well. Joan Eggle over here. Don't forget to subscribe. She's a great musician. Sing us something. Oh my god, that was fantastic.
I was gonna sing something from Arcane and then I couldn't think of any songs. There's so many good ones.
Yeah. All right. A lot of videos today, but I hope you enjoy them and see you guys later. Bye.